So you want to know how to generate videos on Sora AI. This is super easy to do. Now I'm going to walk you through two ways how to actually do it. One is how to do it for yourself and how to basically remix a video on Sora AI. So let's start by us doing something for yourself. So whether you're on the Explore page or under a folder that you've created, you can easily go ahead and start creating a video. I'm going to go ahead and click the new folder here and just create a folder called videos. Click and enter there. Folder is now created. All you have to do is go ahead and click where it says image. You'll have a pop-up there that allows you to switch to videos. Then from here, you can switch the aspect ratio to whatever you want. So let's say I want 16 by 9. I can click on that and then I can start describe whatever I want. So I can say a supercar driving in the winter and rain and heavy rain is falling, something like that. And I can go ahead and click on send and it's gonna generate that video for me. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just simply leave it as is, but keep in mind that you just need to go ahead and click on send, and from here you can also change the resolution as well. You need a paid plan as well to be able to use all of those different resolution and so forth. You can change the timing as well to make the video up to 20 seconds long. You can go ahead and change presets and variations as well. And while your generation is going on, you can watch that on the activity bar on the upper right hand side. What happens is once you're currently in generation process, it will turn into a little circle and start to load. And once it is completed, it will show you a pop-up saying that it's done. You can view it, and you can also click on activity to view from here as well. So that's how easy it is, guys. No, so that's how you do it for creating something for yourself. No, you can also remix other videos. So if you click on explore, filter this from image to videos, or you can just simply click on the videos section here on the left hand side and start to search for videos. Or if you use the search bar in the upper left hand side and type whatever you want, you'll find images, videos, and so forth. You can find something. But let's say you're going through videos, guys, and you find a video that you want to remix. You can simply go ahead and click on that video and simply go ahead and click on remix from here. So once you click on remix, you can remix this video to make whatever you want, right? And you can change the resolution, you can change the variation, you can choose if you want to do a strong remix or whatever it is. And again, you go through the remix process by putting the prompt, clicking remix, wait for the activity bar to complete, and you'll be able to see that video afterwards. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.